Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mint an NFT on OpenSea. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in opensea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official OpenSea website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and you can select your desired wallet to log into your account. Now after logging into your account, you will be taken into this homepage once again, from which if you wish to mint any NFT, you can click on the create button at the top left corner. Now you will be taken into the create page. Now from this page, you have two different options. If you wish to create an NFT or a collection, you can click on drop a collection, or you can click on mint an NFT to start minting your NFT. Now you can drop your media by clicking on browse files, or simply drop your media within this page. Go ahead and choose your desired file and then choose your name for your NFT. You can also choose the desired number of supply that you want. Then enter the description for your NFT. You can also provide the external link if you want for your NFT. Underneath, you also have the option to add traits. Go ahead and click on the Add Trait button and you will be able to add various different traits to your NFT. Finally, click on the Create button at the bottom right corner after setting up your collection. If you don't have any collection, you can also click on Create a new collection. After all of your settings have been set up, you can click on the Create button and then you can move on with the further process of minting your NFT. Just follow the procedure within the next page and you will be able to mint your very own NFT on OpenSea. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to mint your NFTs on OpenSea. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.